Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Mini Cooper electric. First, make sure your Mini is sufficiently charged for your planned trip. Once inside, press the distinctive yellow start/stop toggle switch located in the center console to bring the car to life. You'll hear a subtle hum, indicating it's ready. Then, simply move the gear selector to D for drive, and you're all set to begin your electric adventure. Driving the Mini Electric is incredibly intuitive. The accelerator pedal offers instant torque, providing a zippy and fun experience. One key feature is regenerative braking. Simply lifting your foot off the accelerator will slow the car and send energy back to the battery. This also means you might use the brake pedal less often. Remember to always maintain a safe following distance, just like in any other car, to ensure a smooth and secure ride. Your Mini Electric comes with various driving modes to suit your mood and journey. You can easily switch between green, mid, and sport modes using the toggle switch. Green mode is perfect for maximizing your range and efficiency, ideal for city driving or longer commutes. Mid mode provides a balanced experience, while sport mode unleashes the car's full potential, offering sharper acceleration and a more engaging drive. Experiment to find your favorite. Charging your Mini Electric is straightforward, whether at home with a wall box or at public charging points. Simply plug in, and the car handles the rest. When parking, always remember to engage the parking brake for safety, especially on inclines. It's a good habit to ensure your vehicle stays securely in place. And speaking of smart choices, if you're looking to make smart financial decisions, check out the link in the description for Asterisk, the simple path to wealth asterisk, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.